So, and I remember when I was studying Surah Al-Baqarah बहुत briefly, तो Surah Al-Baqarah में एक चीज जो मैंने पढ़ी थी वो अल्लाह ताला goes on to describe something, and this जो तफसीर कर रहे थे उन्होंने बोला था कि ये 4 verses जो सूरत अल-बकरा की पहली 4 verses है, it is a description of the believers. So I'm going to get into that a little bit. कि अलिफ लाम मीम ज़ालिकल किताबु ला रैब फीह हुदल लिल मुत्तक़ीन, कि अलिफ लाम मीम यही वो किताब है, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है, that it is हुदल लिल मुत्तक़ीन, that this is the book that guides. So first you have to accept that there's the Quran and this is the one that guides. And then Allah Ta'ala tells you Hudal lil Muttaqin. So it's a thing that we have to notice. Okay? It's said Hudal lil Muttaqin. So the ones who are Muttaqin. Muttaqin basically means the one who has taqwa.
Taqwa, yeah.
The ones who have taqwa, they will benefit more from the Quran. Basically, उनके लिए थोड़ा it's obviously when you have taqwa, you're going to understand the Quran, right? So then Allah Ta'ala in the next ayah, he goes on to describe who are the people who have taqwa.
Yeah.
So first thing, ज़ालिकल किताबु ला रैब फीह हुदल लिल मुत्तक़ीन अल्लज़ीना युमिनूना बिल गैब, कि अल्लाह ताला अब बता रही है कि मुत्तक़ीन एक्चुअली कौन है. First, अल्लज़ीना युमिनूना बिल गैब, that these are people who believe in al-ghaib. And हम जब सोचते हैं इस बारे में, so you realize that actually this is what distinguishes between people who are not Muslims and Muslims. That हमारा पहला belief गैब में है, al-ghaib. Al-ghaib is something that you don't see. And when you think about it, what is unseen for us? First, Allah Ta'ala is something we don't see. We've not seen Allah Ta'ala, yet we believe in Him. We do not see Prophet Muhammad. We have not seen the previous messengers. We have not seen the hellfire. We have not seen the grave. Yet we believe. We believe that Allah Ta'ala exists. We believe that there's going to be a day of judgment. We believe that there was a prophet. Alright? Then Allah Ta'ala says, Allazina yuminuna bil ghaib wa yuqimuna as-salata. Second thing जो बोली, नमाज, सलाह. And ये चीज अगर हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, because the first thing that we will be questioned about is our salah. And हम नमाज को इतना lightly लेते हैं and we think we are doing so good. आपके अमाल जाया है, आपकी नियत जाया है, क्योंकि पहली चीज आपको क़यामत के दिन जो पूछी जाएगी वो आपकी नमाज है. और हम नमाज अगर पढ़ भी रहे हैं, and this is something that you see in the Quran, that it's asked that why are you in hellfire, and they say that we were of those who did not pray. So I'm not going to get into too much, and then he goes on to describe allazina yu'minuna bil ghaibi wa yuqimuna salata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfiqun, and they spent out of what we provided for them. And when you think about it, कि of course there's zakat, ये सबको पता है कि zakat देनी है. But when you actually think about it, कि अल्लाह ताला कहते हैं मैंने इनको जो भी दिया है, they spend out of what I have provided for them. This means कि आपके सारे resources जो आप इतने that you're so proud of and that you deal with so, आप इतने कंजूसी के साथ डील कर रहे हैं, वो किसके हैं और आपको उनके साथ करना क्या था? हमारे लिए सबसे लास्ट में चीज कभी ऐसा कोई गुजर रहा होता है तब हम उसको 10 रुपए दे देते हैं. No, that's not the thing. हमने ऑर्डर रिवर्स कर दिया. हमने ऑर्डर रिवर्स कर दिया कि हमें करना क्या था. Then Allah Ta'ala goes on to say, الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون. But these are those who believed in what we revealed to them. For us, it's the Quran. We believe in the Quran and what was revealed before them, which means that all the messengers that exist. You cannot claim to be a Muslim and not believe in Jesus. You cannot claim to be a Muslim and not believe in Isa alayhi salam. Musa alayhi salam. You can't. So you have to believe in all of them. You have to believe that they existed. And they came and they were the messengers of Allah Ta'ala. And then Allah Ta'ala goes on to, ये एक चीज, وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. And these are those जिनको आखिरत में यकीन है. यहाँ पर ईमान, आखिरत के लिए ईमान नहीं इस्तेमाल किया गया, आखिरत के लिए यकीन इस्तेमाल किया गया. क्योंकि यकीन जब हम सोचते हैं ना, हमें किस चीज का यकीन होता है? जिस चीज को हम अगर आप किसी बारे में आपको किसी चीज का यकीन है तो आप उससे उल्टी चीज नहीं करोगे. And this is the thing that is described, that وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ, they have certainty of the hereafter. And you see it, कि आपको only when you will believe in Allah Ta'ala, only then you will care about the hereafter. Only then you will care about, and this is when you accept कि हाँ भाई मैं अभी जो कर रहा हूँ मुझे उसके लिए I will be, उसके लिए मुझे दिया जाएगा बदला, चाहे अच्छा या बुरा. And then Allah Ta'ala says, Ulaika ala hudam min rabbihim wa ulaika humul muflihun. These are people who are upon guidance from their Rabb. And these are people who will be successful. Boom. Now Allah Ta'ala tells you that this is success. And हमारा ये basic भी नहीं पूरा हो रहा है. And हमें लग रहा है हम बहुत कमाल कर रहे हैं.